Hi, you're watching Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. The video is on 10 low investment and high profit agriculture business ideas. 1. Vegetable farming. Vegetables are very important sources of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants providing human health benefits. Vegetable farming business is a profitable business and thus not only for a big farmer. It is also profitable for small and marginal farmers. Small-scale vegetable farming has the earning potential throughout the year. If you are planning for commercial vegetable production for maximum profits, you must have a proper vegetable farming business plan. Vegetable farming is a type of crop production intended mainly for human consumption of the crop's edible parts such as the shoot, leaves, fruits, and roots. Vegetables are divided into groups like leafy vegetables, fruit vegetables, root vegetables, bulb vegetables, and flower vegetables. 2. Flower farming. If you enjoy flower gardening and want to turn your gardening hobby into extra income, think about growing for the market. Flowers are among the most profitable plants, producing one of the highest returns of any specialty crop. You can get started with very little, just enough for seeds and supplies, and most new flower growers make money in the first year. The flower business is loaded with varieties, a scope of hues, flower varieties, aroma, and so on. Bouquets as well as flowers are being the piece of designs. You have boutonnieres, focal points, wedding botanical stylistic layout and transcending shows at the work environments, and undeniable cultivating contracts. You should be innovative with all the interest in the market and get your requests. Get the varieties and lovely flowers to serve the best. Pick the flowers you need to develop. Your principal point is to acquire a benefit. So pick the flowers that are of incredible interest in the market. 3. Honeybee farming. Rearing honeybees is called apiculture. Keeping bees at the large scale for commercial purposes as a business plan is increasing in this fast-growing world. Apiculture is also related to agriculture or is part of agriculture. Apiculture or beekeeping business need less investment of money and laborers with great care of them and a strong relationship between the human being, that is beekeeper, and the bees. It is too hard to keep bees as the business if you do not have some knowledge about them and the apiculture, since bees are wild in nature. One can easily learn apiculture and can earn more money as profit with less effort. Honey is one of the oldest sweeteners on earth. Lucky for us, it also has many health benefits and uses. 4. Quail farming. Quail are the birds that are commercially reared for eggs and meat. Commercial farming has increased its demand day by day, as the investment and maintenance are very less compared to any other livestock farming. Quails are highly nutritious than the poultry eggs. The quails are reared along with other birds, which is the main advantage of the quail farming. In the countries with a huge population, there will be a high requirement for meat. So, there will be a good business for quail farming in Asian countries. Quail farming is very profitable like chicken, turkey, or duck farming business. Quail farming can be done in all types of weather conditions. Meat and eggs are highly nutritious and very tasty. There is an advantage in quail farming like low space requirement, low investment cost and labor cost. The quails will get ready for marketing within 5 weeks. The quails lay eggs from the age of 6 weeks. They lay approximately 300 eggs per year. Commercial quail farming has a high success rate in Asian countries. The quail eggs are very healthy and highly nutritious. They have lower cholesterol levels. 5. Mushroom farming. A mushroom farming business can be a means of big profit in just a few weeks with considerably low startup capital investment to start a business. A person who has a little bit of idea in the science and technology of mushroom growing and has their own building for having the farm mushroom business will be the perfect option for him to start. The cultivation of mushrooms is an art and requires both study and experience. Mushroom farming business plan guide for beginners. Understand the process of farming mushrooms, choose the type or variety, environment required, and get spawn for mushroom farming, prepare substrate, pack the bags or boxes and trays, incubation, fruiting, protection measures in storing mushrooms, harvesting and storage. 6. Chicken farming. Poultry farming is a type of agricultural method in which the birds are raised commercially. This is done for the production of meat and eggs. Basically, poultry farming involves chicken, ducks, turkeys, quails. But chicken is the one which has huge market demand across the globe, and hence most of the poultry farmers prefer growing chicken when they set up a farm. Advantages of poultry farming. The chicken will produce meat and also eggs. This will be 2 ways of food resources. The eggs can also be sold along with the meat on the farm. The price of the chicken is also at a very good rate in the market. You can also start the farm with less capital and gradually grow up as per the circumstances and the market. The return on investments will be very good in poultry farming. It makes use of less water when compared to other types of farming. For cleaning and also drinking, 2 liters of water will be sufficient for 10 birds. The dropping of the poultry will be rich in the content of nitrogen and the materials which are organic. Hence, these can be used as fertilizer to the plants. The poultry farmer can sell the manure to the crop farmers in the locality. This generates an extra income. 7. Fish farming. Aquaculture, also known as aquafarming, is the farming of fish, crustaceans, mollusks, aquatic plants, algae, and other organisms. Aquaculture involves cultivating freshwater and saltwater populations under controlled conditions, and can be contrasted with commercial fishing. Fish farming business is very profitable and successful commercial business. If you are planning for fish farming, then you must have a special knowledge of fish farming techniques, skills, and carefully day-to-day monitoring of fish farming ponds. Fish has low cholesterol and calories, so it is very healthful and protein-rich tasty food. Fish food includes in 60% of Indian food menu. Day by day the commercial values of fish or fish products are increasing speedily. How to start fish farming? For profitable fish farming business, you can go through the step-by-step action like first selecting the adequate land or farm, then after constructing the fish farming pond or tank. After that, you can select the fish species and care them. You can also manage the fish food. After some days these fish are ready for selling in the market. 8. Goat farming. For any successful commercial goat farming, a proper business plan is required before starting the goat farm. This business plan may include right from land selection to marketing of goats. However, goat farmers should have complete knowledge before going to large-scale commercial goat farming. A suitable and effective business plan is a must for starting any business. As goat farming is a proven highly profitable business idea, it is very necessary to make a proper goat farming business plan before starting this business. Make a clear and up-to-date plan before investing your money in this market. Although goat farming projects require less capital and investment than raising any other livestock, you can start a goat farming business with a very small investment. But in the end you will get more profits than any other. If you are a beginner in this market, then first of all meet with some successful goat producers and visit some farms. By visiting some farms and producers you will get some clear idea about the pros and cons of this business. This will help you run your business perfectly. 9. Sheep farming. Sheep farming is one of the oldest professions and traditions in most parts of the world. Primarily sheep farming is mainly carried out for its meat and wool. However, milk of sheep does not have much demand. Sheep farming is a more profitable business than goat farming, as sheep can attain good weight within a short period of time. Sheep can be raised on small scale or large scale for commercial purpose. As sheep meat has excellent demand, especially in India, many people are showing interest to start profitable sheep farming. To become a successful sheep farmer, you must have time to dedicate to the farm. Apart from this proper sheep farming business plan, hard work is essential. There are many indigenous sheep breeds, crossbred sheep and exotic sheep available to raise. However, you must ensure that these sheep are suitable for your local climatic conditions. It has advantages like multi-purpose use, low investment, cheap infrastructure, less labor cost, fast growth of herd, less feed or fodder requirement and cost, sheep manure, market demand for sheep products, climate adaptability, creating local employment and easy marketing. 10. Dairy farming. Dairy farming is one of the popular farming business ideas in India. Dairy farming may require slightly high investment in the initial stages, but the profits at the end of it all suffice to make up for it wonderfully well. You may go in for pure breeds or cross breeds. In fact, rearing of cross breeds has generally proved to be more profitable. Successful dairy farming requires a good breed selection of cows. Select the dairy cow or cattle breed that is suitable for your climatic conditions and high milking capacity. You can visit your local farms and can observe the different breed types that are suitable. A crossbreed of HF cows, Holstein Friesian, with Indian Sahiwal, or Jersey with Sahiwal or Jersey with Red Sindhi is preferable for the good milk yield. It is preferred to select the breed which produces milk of 20 to 25 liters per day. A farm requires a large one-time expenditure to get started. Cattle farming can also start on a small scale with 2 or 5 cows when it comes to starting a dairy farm business in low investment, but you should select the best breeds. Buying an existing dairy farm makes the task simpler and can save money if you're willing to do some repairs yourself. Requirements of dairy farming: land, shed, water, fodder, breed selection, labor, vaccinations. Thank you for watching. Like and share the video with your friends. And if not subscribed our channel, subscribe to discover agriculture.